Hey guys, so quick video how you gonna actually connect Samsung monitor to your MacBook Pro. This is how you're gonna do it. So all you need to do is you need to have this kind of, how it's called, adapter. So you're gonna have the Samsung, and here you're gonna have the HDMI cable. Then you're gonna insert into the Samsung from the back. You're gonna insert it, and then you're gonna need adapter that is going to allow you. Here you can even see that MacBook Pro. So you're gonna insert it, and then you got it, right? So you're gonna have adapter, you're gonna insert the adapter into the HDMI cable and then to your MacBook Pro. That's how we're gonna do it. Super simple. And of course, if you don't have the HDMI cable, but you have, let's say, VGA cable, the same process applies. You're gonna VGA HDMI adapter, not VGA, VGA USB-C. Tak, this is how you're gonna do it. So this is how it looks. And this is what you need to get if you got the VGA, for example. So just want to make this quick, effective video how to do it. Have a great day and goodbye.